As per the most recent long-haul figure, Algorand cost will hit $0.3 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $0.5 toward the finish of 2025. Algorand will ascend to $0.7 inside the extended period of 2031. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.741, so the cost diminished by 23% from the start of the year. The Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.19 and the year-to-year change 16%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 9%. In 2024, we hope to see $20 per one Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $25. In the final part, the cost would add $04 and close the year at $29, which is plus 67% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $29 to $53, which is up 83%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $29, then, at that point, take off to $31 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $34. That implies plus 95% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $53 to $71, which is plus 34%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $53 and finish 2031 at $53. It is about plus 204% from today. Zaforza 1-2s into 4. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $60.21, so the cost expanded by 16% from the start of the year. The Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.42 and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 60%. In 2024, we hope to see $144 per one Algorand. In the principal half of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $55. In the final part, the cost would add $9 and close the year at $64, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.64 to $1.18, which is up 84%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.64, then, at that point, take off to $0.68 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.74. That implies plus 182% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $1.18 to $1.53, which is plus 30%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.18, then, at that point, dip to $1.11 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.17. It is about plus 346% from today. 3152s into 4. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.9012, so the cost expanded by 29% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.66, and the year-to-year change plus 193%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 127%. In 2024, we hope to see $155 per one Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $85. In the last part, the cost would lose $05 and close the year at $80, which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $80 to $111, which is up 39%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $80, then take off to $85 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.92. That implies plus 216% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $111 to $155, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $111, then take off to $118 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $125. It is about plus 329% from today. It's 301 into 4. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.2081, so the cost diminished by 3% from the very outset of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.42, and the year-to-year change plus 86%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 93%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.35 per 1 Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $1.54. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.03 and close the year at $1.51, which is plus 134% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $1.51 to $1.72, which is up 41%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $1.51. Then, at that point, take off to $1.54 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.59. That implies plus 171% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.72 to $1.01, which is plus 40%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.72, then take off to $0.76 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $80. It is about plus 267% from today. 22152 into 4. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2053. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.1859, so the cost diminished by 17% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.48, and the year-to-year change plus 113%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 158%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.33 per 1 Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $1.56. In the final part, the cost would add $0.03 and close the year at $1.59, which is plus 217% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $1.59 to $1.01, which is up 71%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $1.59, then take off to $1.64 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.68. That implies plus 266% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2030.